Do you want to speak fluent English? Then you must train your mind to think in English. Most of the people translate every sentence from Hindi to English, and that slows them down. So today, I will share simple and powerful ways to make your mind work in English naturally. Yes guys. First thing, begin with the micro thinking. Whatever you see around you, name it, like in English. Whatever it is, whether it's cup, mirror, street, mobile, clouds, everything. The more you connect daily life objects with the English words, that faster your brain shifts to English mode. Second thing, practice self-talk. Talk to yourself in small way, like in simple sentences. Say things like, I'm getting ready, I have to work to do, I will go outside. Now, when you speak yourself in English, your mind slowly forms English thoughts without translations. Third, take a small decision in English. When you plan your day, think in English. What should I do next? I will record my video now. I must finish editing. This quick mental decisions train your brain to stay in English. Yes guys, if you follow these things, you must see the, you can say, result. Fourth thing, translate ideas, not words. If you think in Hindi, मुझे time चाहिए, just say I need time. Don't look perfect in grammar, focus on the meaning. This reduces the hesitation level. Fifth thing, surround yourself with an English environment. Keep your phone in English, watch English videos, read English captions. When your eyes see more English, your brain naturally picks it up. Okay guys, finally, learn short daily phrases like let me think, by the way, actually, it's okay. These phrases help you think faster and speak more naturally. Okay guys, if you really do these kind of things, you will see the result. Thinking in English is not a one-day task and not a one-day challenge. It is a habit. Practice these steps every day. Okay, and practice every day, and slowly you will notice that your mind automatically thinking in English or shifting in English without effort and without translation. And remember, fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from the consistency. Even if you make mistakes, keep going every time you think in English. If you follow these steps every day, English will not just be a language you speak, it will become language you think in. Please subscribe this channel for getting the information about English. Bye bye. See you later in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.